AI trading is already happening and it's growing faster than most people realize. Lately, nag-explore ako on how AI is starting to change the way people trade crypto. And slowly, hindi na siya nagiging purely manual na ikaw ang lahat. May mga AI tools na ngayon that can help you analyze and make better decisions. Kasabay din yan, AI-powered trading bots na siya na magte-trade para sa'yo. And one example ng AI-powered trading tool that can help you analyze and strategize your trades ay itong GPT Trade AI ni CoinW. Na itong si GPT Trade AI is an AI tool that helps you with real-time market analysis with personalized trading recommendations. Na whether beginner ka or experienced trader, masasagot na yan. Tutulungan ka niya sa market trends and optimize your trading strategies. And with the help of that AI tool, magagamit mo siya to further optimize your trading bots dito sa CoinW. And as you can see, around 22,000 users na rin ang gumagamit. So instead of doing everything manually, you're using AI for data and of course your trades. For me, I think ito na talaga yung direction for the future. And it's not to replace traders, it's to optimize them and improve their system. And this AI revolution will continue to grow rapidly. At kung gusto mo itry si CoinW at ang AI tools niya, nakasabay din ng pabonus ni CoinW sa atin. For 14 days, ganyan yung pwede mo makuha ang airdrop by trading sa CoinW. Nandyan yung mga details, makikita mo lang lahat ng to. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link dyan sa description. O kaya naman, hanapin mo si CoinW sa App Store mo. At pag magsasign up ka and register, gamitin mo lang to si CoinWPH na code. And with that, pwede ka na maging eligible dito. At marami pa tayong pag-uusapan about AI trading sa mga future videos. And syempre, comment na rin kayo kung may mga tanong kayo and ano mga thoughts nyo about AI trading and its future. And follow me for more contents like this.